大家好, hello everyone, welcome to our episode 4 of HSK1 Lesson 1 discussion class. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to pronounce the second group of the Chinese initials, which are e, t, m, l. Let's get started. These initials are also similar with the way we pronounce them in English language. But here today, to make it more easier for us, we need to add the finals. So we add to four of them, to four of them to help us to pronounce them. These initials, while making the sound, you need to use the tip of your tongue, to touch the inner front upper teeth. The inner front upper teeth. That is what we use to make this sound. For example, the, the, t, t, n, n, l, l. Now, let's take a closer look at each and every sound. The Remember, when we were starting this lesson, we said "Da jia hao," meaning hello everyone. Da jia is big family. Da is big. Jia is family. How good. Da jia hao. Hello everyone. Just like ni men hao, as we discussed previously, ni men hao, meaning you are greeting a particular group of people. Ni men is a plural of you. So ni men hao. Da jia hao. Hello everyone. So da, big. It can also go with many other words. Example, 大人 adult. 人 means person. 大人 adult. 大苹果 big apple. 大芒果 big mango. So it can go with anything. The the second one is 特 特. Always remember, use the tip of your tongue to touch the upper inner front teeth. And while making this sound, there must be a little airflow from your mouth. T, 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 not t, t, not t, t. He, she, and it in Chinese is pronounced as ta, ta, but the only difference is the characters. When we write them in Chinese, is totally different. But the pinyin pronunciation is the same. Ta, the same tone, the same writing figure in pinyin, but the only difference is the character. The third one in Chinese is ne, ne, just like n, the letter n in English language. Ne, ne. You in Chinese is 你, 你. For example, I love you. 我爱你,我爱你. The last one is le, le, le. Remember to use the tip of your tongue to touch the inner front upper teeth. Le, le, le. For example, the Chinese word for something that is spicy is la, la. Now, let's quickly review them. Ke, ke, le, le. Nice one. We'll be stopping here today. See you next time on the episode 5 of this lesson. 再见. Goodbye.